guys, it's Scrawled at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this Scarecrow. I went in first and base coated his hat in pine cone, his hay in Colonel Mustard, and I painted his face in the color putty. Once I'm done base coating everything, I'm going to allow everything plenty of time to dry. And then I'm going to go in with a sponge brush in the color chocolate, and I'm going to distress the edges and kind of outline them. And I also use this barn red color for his scarf. And now I'm going in with that sponge brush in the chocolate color, and again just kind of outlining / distressing the edges. Then I'm going in with a Sharpie brush stroke marker and adding a smile in his eyes. And then following that, I'll go in with the number 4 round in the color cotton, and I'll highlight everything, including his eyes. I'll add a little bit of white to the corners of them. And then that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.